and growing together in diversity. Good day, everyone. Have you ever tried to feel it so hard that you forgot who you really are? I have, and I think a lot of people might have. I used to walk into a room and ask myself, should I go alone? Should I talk with them? Should I act like them? Maybe if I let it, they ask me, but I didn't feel like they asked me. And slowly, I stopped remembering who I was. Hi, my name is Cyrilla, I'm 13 years old. I go to regular school, I live in a regular neighborhood, and like many kids my age, I love people, especially our comedians. But today, I'm not going to talk about music. I want to talk about something that was so real. Everyone talks about accepting differences, but do we? I mean, do we truly accept diversity? Or are we just saying it because it's so nice in the speeches, posters, or Instagram stories? Because in real life, being different still feels like a problem. People still get left out, judged, and bullied. Not for doing anything wrong, but for just being themselves. When I was younger, I used to think, if I'm too different, I'm left out. If I don't fit in, I lose friends. So I tried. I changed how I act. I smile when I didn't want to. I stay quiet to keep the peace. And even then, I still feel like I don't belong. Trying to fit in is exhausting. And the worst part, you start to lose yourself in the process. It took me a while to realize that diversity is not just about blending in. It's about standing strong without breaking others down. And that strength, it comes from devotion. Not just devotion to our own ideas, but devotion to understand people who live differently. Some say diversity causes conflict, but the truth is ego causes conflict. It's when no one wants to listen. It's when everyone wants to be right, but no one wants to understand. It's easier to hate what you don't know. It's harder, but stronger to ask, why do you think that way? What have you been through? I once read something RM said at the United Nations. Speak for yourself. Find your name. Find your voice. That stuck with me. Not because it's catchy, but it reminds me. Don't be afraid to be you, but also don't forget to let others be themselves. Even my own coach, my mentor, taught me something I'll never forget. She works closely with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and religions. Sometimes they disagree. One says, this method is better. Other says, no, this one works more. But instead of fighting, they ask a better question. What's the goal? And if something not useful to that goal, they let it go. They don't agree on everything, but they stay devoted to the same vision. And that is what real unity looks like. Diversity doesn't mean we have to think the same. It means we stay committed to something bigger than ourselves, even when we're different. I've seen what happens when people refuse to understand. A joke becomes a bullying, a comment becomes a fight, a difference becomes walls. But I've also seen what happens when people choose to listen. One of my close friends is so different. She talks without thinking. I need time to think before I speak. That could have been a disaster. But instead, we learned to respect each other equally. We didn't try to change each other. We just learned to understand. And somehow, that made us stronger together. Diversity isn't just about race or religions. It's about personalities, values, ways of thinking, and how we treat each other when we don't agree. So, what do? We build devotion to empathy, to fairness, to protect space for people who are not like us. Because real strength, the kind that builds peace, doesn't come from winning arguments. It comes from the courage to understand. We don't need a perfect world, we just need people brave enough to care. So let's stop saying diversity is our strength and start proving it. Not being angry on everything, but by standing strong, together, rooted in respect. I'm Cyrilla, thank you for having me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kalian ada sih.